Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will get a step-by-step guide how to start a successful YouTube channel in 2025, and that would be your best guide. Only 8 steps you need to start a YouTube channel. That's mean a successful YouTube channel. So let's get started. The number one is pick a niche and select your audience. If you don't know and if you don't understand what is your passionate about, like you don't define, that's mean you can define yourself. Okay, so I will suggest you to watch more videos and spend more time on YouTube and just find your interest. That's mean what kind of videos you watch randomly, and then you can record a video on that particular topic if you want. And if you can, so congratulations, you have done your first step, and that's when you have select your niche. And the second step is create a YouTube channel. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Just use your Gmail account, you can create your first YouTube channel. Okay, so in this section you have to do some technical works, like you have to set up a good banner, YouTube banner and YouTube logo. You have to write a YouTube about section. You can get help with ChatGPT, and definitely you can set a brand name. That's very important. Okay, so don't copy paste, just based on your interest, based on your YouTube videos, you can create different social media platform using the particular name. That's mean that should be your brand. That's mean your YouTube channel name and your Facebook, your TikTok, that should be the same name. Okay, and number three is get the right equipment. So number one, number two, it's pretty simple, you can do it. And the number three, maybe sometimes you will be struggling to find the best equipment. That's mean if you are a beginner, so maybe you have a question, what kind of cameras should I use? Okay, so before focusing on the equipment, just use your phone. That's it. That's my suggestion. Pretty simple. You don't have to spend a huge money on buying different mirrorless camera or Sony or different cameras. You can use your iPhone, you can use your Samsung phone. It's okay, just create video, that's it. You can record with your mobile phone. You don't need to external mic. Okay, but if you want to improve your quality, that's mean your sound quality, so definitely you have to buy a microphone, and you can find on Amazon. Okay, and the third part is lighting. So you will find different kind of videos how to set up a light. So definitely you have to buy some light, but as a beginner you don't have to purchase any light. You can set up your mobile or camera if you have beside your window, and then you can record. Like right now I'm sitting on my couch, and this is in front of my, it's a mobile phone, I'm recording right now, and behind it's a daylight. So I think it's pretty okay. The fourth number is editing software. So you can edit with your phone and free software, or also you can use CapCut or DaVinci or Adobe. Okay, or four is plan and create high quality videos. So before creating any videos, as a beginner, always keep in your mind, you have to plan, you have to script down. Okay, just write a note where it would be a key point, because what would be about your video topic, and which part you do want to interest to talk about this, because in a 8 minutes or 10 minutes or 5 minutes video you can't cover everything. Okay, because many YouTubers, they are started using script, like watching a script and deliver the space. It's simple, so don't worry about it. Step number 5 is optimize your videos for growth. That's mean you have to check your YouTube analytics, and definitely you have to do some SEO so that your video can rank on YouTube search. Because if someone search on how to X, how to Y, so if your video is Y, so definitely when they search on YouTube particularly, your video will come up the first section. Okay, first position, second position, third position. And that should be really great, because people are always interested to click on the first, second, third, between three. Okay, also you can rank on top 3 if your content is has more competitor and more complex. Okay, so that's a YouTube analytics part. So you have to analyze this, so don't worry about this. As a beginner, slowly and surely you can understand all the things like SEO, title, description, hashtags, different things. Okay, so you can focus on your creating videos more and more, and then slowly and surely you can get it all consistently. And scheduling, that's the most important. That's the key to success in YouTube, I think so, because many of you just started YouTube channel, just create YouTube channel setup and videos, just uploaded 2 3 videos, and the next couple of months you don't have any response. So what will happen in this niche or a channel? The channel will dead, and you can't recover, because after 3 months later maybe you will post a motivated videos or YouTube groups, and then you will come back and then you will create, and you will again fall in a trap like your video doesn't perform well. You need to hire, you need to have to spend some money, so blah blah. So if you don't want to waste your time, and if you really want to successful on YouTube, definitely upload videos consistently. That's mean twice in a week, or if you can 3 times in a week, or that's mean at least once in a week. Definitely you have to upload once in a week. So as a beginner, I think you should upload 3 videos in a week. Monetize and scale your YouTube channel. So once you have done 4,000 watch hour in the last 1 year and the 1,000 subscribers, so you can monetize your YouTube channel. That's when you can earn money through Google Ads. And once you start your monetization, then you can earn affiliate marketing, you can earn from your membership, also you can earn from your brand collaboration, also sponsorship, and many ways you can earn money. Also you can promote your product, also you can promote your brand through your YouTube channel. So that would be your brand. That's why the second step was always choose a brand name for your YouTube channel. Most important thing is that you can sell product through this YouTube channel, because you have audience, you have niche based particular audience. Those people are interested to watch this video, and you can sell your digital product or physical product. That's amazing. You can sell ebooks, you can sell t-shirt. Last not the least, step number 8 is be patient. Yes, this is the most important thing. Maybe you are watching this video or you will watch another video, but if you are not passionate about this, if you are not passionate on your career, on your target, on your goal, and if you don't follow the steps and if you don't work, so nothing will change. All right guys, so that's it. Just follow these 8 steps and start your YouTube channel and make your life easier using YouTube. So if you found this video is helpful, comment below and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.